It has a quad-turbo V16 heart, bleeds electric power, and yes, it's pink. But make no mistake, this is not a gimmick. This is the most advanced Bugatti ever built, and it just might redefine what a hypercar should be. Welcome back to the channel, where design meets performance and legends are forged on four wheels. Today, we're diving deep into what is possibly the boldest move from Motion yet, the 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon, in an arresting, unapologetic shade of pink. Now, before you dismiss this color as some kind of novelty, let's get one thing straight. When Bugatti paints something pink, it's not for vanity, it's a statement. This is the first production Bugatti to carry a hue developed from a bespoke titanium-based pigment, lighter than traditional paints, engineered to withstand immense heat, and designed to shimmer with a depth that shifts between rose gold and chrome depending on the light. It's not just a color, it's performance paint. But what really matters is what's under the skin. The Tourbillon is not a Chiron update. It's a spiritual successor with a completely new platform, a fresh philosophy, and a drive system that's as futuristic as it is ferocious. Let's start with the numbers, because they matter. 8.3-liter, naturally aspirated V16 developed in partnership with Cosworth. That's right, Bugatti has abandoned the W16 in favor of a longer, more sonorous, and wildly responsive V-engine that revs to 9,000 RPM, paired with 3 electric motors, 2 at the front, 1 at the rear, delivering torque vectoring in real time. The total output is just shy of 1,800 horsepower. This isn't just evolution. It's a recalibration of the entire hypercar segment. And here's where it gets even more absurd. The chassis is made entirely of next-gen carbon titanium weave, integrating aerodynamic ducts within the structural frame itself. That means less weight, more strength, and a drag coefficient that puts some Le Mans prototypes to shame. All of this combines to give the Tourbillon a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 277 miles per hour. Step inside, and the fusion of art and engineering continues. The cockpit ditches digital overload in favor of an intricate mechanical dial cluster, inspired by high-end Swiss Tourbillon watches. Each gauge is individually hand-assembled by watchmakers, not technicians. You're not just looking at your speed. You're looking at kinetic sculpture in motion. The steering wheel, milled from a single block of aerospace aluminum. The seats, fixed to the chassis, with the pedals and steering column adjusting to the driver. Just like in a Formula One car, there's no touchscreen. Instead, you get tactile switches, solid metal toggle controls, and a level of haptic feedback that connects you to machine in a way most modern cars have forgotten. Now let's talk about the drive. We had the rare chance to take the Tourbillon on a private proving ground in southern France, and what we experienced was nothing short of astonishing. This car doesn't surge, it warps time. From idle to redline, the V16 builds power with symphonic rage, while the electric motors fill every millisecond of lag. It's seamless, addictive, utterly intoxicating, and yet it's not intimidating. Thanks to cutting-edge suspension geometry and an adaptive ride system that pre-reads the road 500 times per second, the Tourbillon can be driven with fingertip precision. Whether you're carving mountain passes or annihilating straights, it feels composed, confident, and dare I say, approachable. But let's be honest, this car isn't just about speed. It's about legacy. This pink Tourbillon, in particular, was commissioned as a tribute to the original Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, the La Vie en Rose concept that never left every Bugatti sketchbook. Today, that vision has finally come to life, wrapped in a color no one expected, but everyone will remember. With only 250 units planned for global production and a rumored starting price north of $4 million, the Tourbillon isn't just a car, it's a declaration. That Bugatti is still the benchmark. That emotion still matters in an age of electrified efficiency. And that audacity, in performance, in design, even in color, still has a place in this world. If this video lit the spark of wonder in you, the way this machine lit ours, then you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and share with someone who still believes cars can be art. Drop your thoughts in the comments, especially if you'd spec yours in pink. Because this isn't just a new chapter for Bugatti. It's the start of a new era.